friends, wishing you a very happy and prosperous new year. May this year give you everything you have ever wanted. Today, we will be talking about how the coming year would look like for Taurians. Will you see success in your career? Will you find the love of your life? Will your financial situation improve? Let's find out. But before we begin, let us discuss some traits of the Taurian natives. They are one of the most reliable and dependable sign of the zodiac. They are enthusiastic and determined. Taurians are blessed with patience, because of which they handle situation with great maturity and understanding and never let it get out of control. They are trustworthy and do not get angry often. But once they do, then you can't escape their anger. Now, who does not want to excel in their respective career? Fortunately, for Taurians, this year means 2021 is a game changer for you. This year means 2021 you can bid a goodbye to your old job and venture into something new and even be successful at it. The period between the 1st January and 22nd February could be an ideal time to do so. All the cards related to work are in your favor. Many opportunities are expected to roll in your way. But you need to stay away from gossip and loose talk in your office. Your luck will shine brighter post 2026 May 2021. Diving into your financial condition now. In the coming year, the year will be a good one, as you will be able to save enough money which will uplift you financially. Remember, not lend money, as if you do, the chances of it coming back is less. You may see huge expenses in this year in the form of your child's wedding or any big religious function. Post 30th June 2021, unexpected earnings or return of blocked money will be possible. Now, talking about the most interesting part, that is your personal life, love life, and relationship this year. This year will be a fruitful one, as it will see the growth of a person in your family in the form of either the birth of a child in your family or a wedding of a member. In this 2021 year, your life partner will support you in every way. Important decisions have to be taken this year, which will need a lot of strength. A family member's success will elevate the family's reputation. Your family will earn a good name because of the result of your children. Try connecting your children to spirituality, else it may prove to be disadvantageous for them later. When it comes to education, this year is great for a student from the technical field, and they will also get a job their choice. Students who want to pursue and management will get opportunities to study abroad. As far as education is concerned, this year you will be expected to put in more efforts, as this year's forecast predicts slightly lower results for students. However, for those pursuing higher education, this year will be very good. Problems may arise between the 5th of April and 14th of September, which may lead you to get into bad company and compromise with studies. There's nobody who would hate traveling. This year is a merry-go-round for Taurians, as they will be going on trips right from the beginning of the year. Whether it is a lavish holiday, a religious trip, or a business trip. This year is a travel bonanza for Taurians. Finally, I would like to propose some remedies by which you could have a wonderful and harmonious year ahead. If you are a spiritual believer, then worship the purified and energized Shani Yantra every Saturday. You could also distribute food to workers at a building site. While taking meals, sit facing east direction. Keep a sky blue shade lamp on your study table. Use crystal pyramid as paperweight. Place a green plant in north direction. So overall, this year look fabulous for Taurians. We hope you goes better than the prediction. This was a generalized forecast, and hence, if you want full-fledged prediction, please feel free to reach out to us. You can book an appointment with us over telephonic or through WhatsApp. We also provide telephonic as well as video conferencing appointment. Thank you. Be happy and be careful. Wishing you a happy and prosperous new year ahead. Bye bye. Take care. Namaskar.